Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will guide you on how to download Slack app on your device. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up Play Store or App Store on your device, and there on the search bar, search for Slack. And now you have to simply tap on install button at the top right of your screen, and then app will start to download. Now once your app gets downloaded and installed, you will be landed to this type of interface. Now go back to your home screen, and there you will be able to see Slack app on your device. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.